I wanted to do a comparison between these two derailleurs. They came out roughly the same period. One's the Dior DX M650 and the other is the Dior XT M735. I'm doing another video on a rebuild of both of them, and I wanted to see what the difference is between the two. They're quite similar. Both have the adjusters on the inside here for the spring to adjust the tension of this particular spring right here. A lot of things are similar. The cages are more or less exactly the same. There's no difference. The only real difference I can see that's very obvious, for one, the plates here, one's obviously matte black and the other is a matte silver finish. On the reverse you will also see a difference. Okay, so I think in this view here we can see a little bit better. You'll see the inner plate here is more worked on, it's solid, and on here it's more of a, like as if it's been stamped and folded together. There's no finish, unlike the XT version which is on the right. If you look on the inside here again, there's a hole that's been drilled through to allow the bolt to go through, whereas on the DX it's not the case. The bolt has been put on the top of the plate that's been made, and there's been a welding put together to allow for this bolt to be screwed in. So for the hanger bolts, we are for the DX 17 grams, for the XT 17 grams, no difference. Back cages, they look identical, there's no difference in weight really, 41 and 39, not really a big deal. So one of the first things I've just checked now, and it's very obvious once you've undone the two derailleurs, the DX back cage plate is a lot heavier. In fact, I've weighed both of them and I'm going to just give you now the idea. So the DX is 87 grams, whilst the XT, and it's so obvious it's lighter, is 45 grams. So just so you can see, interesting. Overall, there's not a huge difference between the two. In fact, I would say that the DX is the winner. It's a winner because over time the Teflon coated plate here has scratched on the XT and now looks kind of shabby, whereas the Dior DX one has somewhat remained good looking even though there's scratches. Another thing that a savvy mechanic could do is they really cared about the 11 grams of difference. It'd be swapping out the cage from the XT to the DX. The DX I would say is globally better for the simple reason that there's only a small difference in weight and functionality wise there is no difference. So anyway, thank you for listening. Peace out.